Hello, today we're going to be reviewing Oittm's Wi-Fi smart bulb adapter. It's a light adapter that fits into the socket of a lamp or a light socket. And what you do is you install your light bulb inside this socket. It works with Amazon Echo and Google Home. It'll also work with an app that you can download and put on your smart app. So don't go anywhere while I install this light socket. Alright, you hung in there. Once you install the light socket, the light blinks rapidly. I'm unfamiliar with installing it with Amazon Echo or Google Home. However, I am familiar with installing it on my smartphone. And that's how I'm going to show you how to work the program and install all the functions. After the app is installed, you will get a message that Oittm Smart would like to send you notifications, so I tapped on Allow. Next, you will need to register your device with your mobile number or email, then your password. Next, it asks, would you allow Oittm Smart to access your location while you're using the app? So I tapped Allow. The following screen shows the list of registered devices, and if there is none, you'll have to add it. So this is a list of devices. You can add, and I will select light socket. Since the light is blinking, you'll have to confirm that it is. Then it asks for your Wi-Fi password to access your home network. Now it tries connecting to the network. Once it connects, the light stays lit and finishes its connection. Then you can label that connection and hit Done. Now my wife will show you how to turn it on and off. This is a countdown function to turn it off at a set time. Once you set the time, you must confirm to set it. Now this is a pretty cool function that allows you to either turn it on or off at a scheduled time and when to repeat it. Then the other screen shows you functions for other scenes that work with other devices, so I won't go into detail. Next screen shows your profile settings for QR codes, Message Center, Send Feedback, Sharings, Integration, About. Now you can tap the small icon to turn it off and on, or the big icon. Links to check out or purchase this Oittm smart bulb adapter is in the description. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of what I do, please subscribe and share my videos. Stay safe, happy woodworking, and I'll see y'all later.